Hello, esk8 Freedom guys, how are you? So I got something new to show you. Remember the post we had with new logo for esk8 Freedom? And guess what? It did happen. I spent another 30 quid of mine and did order some prototypes, some in blue, like this one here. That was the one everyone voted on. I quite like it. That's already altered and revised version, so there's no spaces, like all the spaces are proper between the wheels and the motors. So thank you everyone for helping. So I've got this this ordered finally. So some in white, these are quite large, but this was just to try cutting it. But this pretty much is what I have asked Johnny. And okay guys, just a quick shout out to Johnny from esk8 Stickers UK. Johnny is on esk8 Freedom. He is also on Instagram. So if you require like stickers made, designed, or something like that, well, feel free to contact. He's a good fella, very honest. You get your stuff delivered quickly, and good part is that he's not spoiled yet. So he's just starting off the business, like on a big scale. So there's no orders too small, and he actually takes time to help you, which is good, which is exactly what I like. Okay, so there we go. And that's, by the way, that's the Johnny's details right here. 12 of these aluminium brushed logos. So size wise, these logos are the actual logo itself, a 130mm long, and they are 55, yeah, about 58 millimeters wide. So that's quite nice. These are brushed aluminium. So let's see how easy it is to apply. We couldn't go smaller, and unfortunately guys, we could not do the lettering. On a normal vinyl you can do, you know, the dream, design, build, ride, repeat. So we can do it on vinyl like this, and you can actually peel it off and install, which is good. But on this brushed aluminium, which I really like, Johnny actually had to order this one in for me because that's what I wanted. It's actually going to look like aluminium, but you'll see in a second. So it's quite hard to cut these, and it's even harder to install. That's why the little lettering, it's not going to work. But I think this is nice and clean, to be honest with you. Another idea is to we have like a separate sticker that you can put underneath, which will actually have the words on. So maybe something like that will work. But anyway, so I want to install one on my helmet. For starters, to show you, well, to try actually myself if it works or not, which I'm sure it will. And at the same time, ask you guys a question. So if you guys are interested, I'm just looking for something to clean this. Would it stick without cleaning? Probably not, so we'll actually clean this up. Now we need to peel this back. Let's see if that's going to come off good at all. Okay, so it's kind of working. So you press it down and then release it. Pressing it. That's it. Actually works all right. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Well, I guess it's going to get harder when we get to the lettering, especially the small letters. Now that comes off. The tiny lettering, that came off as well. So if you keep on like pressing and peeling it back at 90-degree angle, like 45, yeah, it actually comes off. Okay, so yeah, it does come off. Did not even need a knife to assist with. Okay, and now Let's find the best spot. I think I'm gonna start off right here. I don't know if the light is any good. And now, what I normally do, I use like a rag. I'm just pressing it first, just to ensure everything's stuck everywhere. Ooh, look at that. That is nice. I don't know, guys, if you can see it, if the light is any good. Let me know what. Let me just take this camera off the stand. Can you see it? It has this brushed aluminium effect. Yeah, I like it. Look at that. Yeah, that looks good. Well, I think. Well, so that's it, guys. If you want, I don't know, think about this, but if you guys like want some of these, let me know. If you like this aluminium brushed finish, which is quite nice actually, or maybe different colors, let me know. I can't put any more of my own money behind all this. I already spent 50 quid on the first bunch of stickers, and I've given them all out. You guys know it. And this one's here as well I paid for. So this time, if you guys want to, I think we'll do like a group buy, you know, and then I'll get them all and I'll send them all out. So I will include like postage into like total price as well. So let me know in the comments. I think I might do just a poll. Yes, I want the brushed aluminium, or no, not interested, or a different color. But I'd rather stick to like one. This brushed aluminium is very nice. Yeah. Nice. Anyway, let me know what you think. Okay, bye. And yeah, ride safely. So I've decided to try this larger sticker with all the small lettering as well. It's vinyl, so as you can see, it's quite easy to actually apply it, and the lettering is quite small, but because it's vinyl and not the aluminium, yeah, it's okay. Don't know, that's quite nice as well actually. This logo is spot on. I like the wording. So yeah, two choices: either the brushed aluminium for, let's say, a helmet, or like a I don't know, battery enclosure or something, to look cool and to be like different, so it's not just the vinyl. But for, let's say, like your car or like a laptop or something like this, you know, maybe vinyl. So maybe we can do, you know, a couple of different colors and types. Don't know. It's up to you guys. Let me know.